Mommy, can we go inside yet? I want my donut.
Hold on, sweetie. I'm waiting for this car to pull out so we can park.
Uh-oh, I think that lady is stealing your spot.
Skirt. Hey, we were waiting for that spot. Sorry, I beat you to it. Aha.
Mommy, do you want me to go out there? Uncle Fred showed me some karate moves.
No, it's okay. I believe in karma. In the donut shop.
Mommy, can I get one donut, please?
Okay, sweetie. Hey, everyone. There's only 5 donuts left.
Mommy, actually, can we get 5 donuts instead?
We'll take 5 donuts, please. Hey, save some donuts for the people in line, too.
Sorry, I beat you to it. Aha.